Hello everyone, today we have a 2014 Ford F-150 Supercrew. Runs super smooth. Go ahead and take you for a tour. It does have tow hooks up front. It does have the FX4 package. Also alloy wheels, running boards, tow package, spray-on liner, power back window there. And it does have the step right here. So we'll go ahead and put that back up so we don't have a little alarm when we get in there. Does have Eco Boost. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. Does have a sunroof. Has black leather interior with red edging. This is a black suede right here. Does have additional power supplies here in the back. Does have the thick rubber floor mats, Sony speakers. I'll go ahead and get you a shot of the VIN. This has kind of a brushed metal look to it. Go ahead and hop in. I'll show you what's going on in here. Let's see, it shows that we have 60,868 miles on this vehicle. Here you've got your cruise control, your push to talk, your volume and channel changer. You have your 2- and 4-wheel drive. Got your ignition and your trailer brake. And as we come down here, I'm going to turn this down just a little bit so you can hear me a little bit better. But here's your climate control. You also have all your stereo controls right here. And you have your vented or heated seats. It's about 90 degrees today, so we're going to go ahead and just vent the seats as we come into entertainment. So you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth, and SD as well. There's for if you want to connect a phone. Here is your navigation as well. So we come up, let me go ahead and put it in reverse so you can see the backup camera. There we go. As you come up here, you can see that you have your sunroof. Oh, one thing that I did not mention, it does have a keyless entry keypad right here, which I'm a triathlete, so that's a big deal to me. I can just go ahead and lock everything up and leave the keys inside and come back, punch in a code, and I'm in. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was damage reported right here. And as you can see, it turned out to just be cosmetic, so you're able to get it all fixed up. It has passed our 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.